we'll guide you through how to reset Corel Draw. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Corel Draw on your computer. Click New Document to start a new file so the interface becomes fully active. Click Tools on the top menu bar to access system settings. Choose Options from the drop-down list to open the main configuration window. In the Options window, select Customization from the panel on the left to manage interface-related controls. Click Appearance to access the interface display settings and review the current scaling configuration. If necessary, click Reset to Default to return the appearance scaling to its original setting. Then select Command Bars from the Customization section to manage toolbars and menu visibility. Ensure that essential items such as menu bar, toolbox, and property bar are checked so they remain visible in the workspace. Click the Reset button at the bottom to restore the default command bar configuration. When a confirmation message appears, click Yes to confirm the reset process. Click OK to apply and save the changes so the interface updates properly. For the second method, click the Options icon on the top menu to access the Settings panel directly. Select Customization from the Options panel to open the Interface Management section. Click Appearance to open the Interface Appearance settings and check the current display scale. If needed, click Reset to Default to restore the original scaling settings. Next, choose Command Bars from the Customization menu to control toolbar and menu display options. Make sure important elements such as menu bar, toolbox, and property bar are enabled so all primary tools are visible. Click the Reset button at the bottom to return the command bars to their default state. When prompted, click Yes to confirm the action and allow the reset to proceed. Click OK to save and apply the updated settings so Corel Draw returns to its standard interface layout. After completing these steps, review the workspace to ensure all menus and panels are visible. If changes do not appear immediately, close and reopen the application. This reset process restores the interface configuration without affecting your design files or documents.